Hi, this is Handy Doctor. I get a new lawnmower. It's a Troy-Bilt self-propelled. I have one for 12 years and finally I decided to get rid of it. So I get basically the same one. It's self-propelled, but when it was just out of the box, the self-propelled mechanism was so weak. And I could not believe that, by the way. It does turn the wheel. However, as soon as the wheel landed on surface, it could not push the lawnmower forward for even a little bit, even on concrete. And I just could not believe the manufacturer was setting that way. So I actually used it for 2.5 hours. It was quite some exercise. Well, as it turned out, we really need to adjust it. Now, honestly tell you, I did adjust it a little bit. So this was the mechanism that you're supposed to adjust it. I only do it for a few turns, and it did not make a difference. And at that time, I thought, okay, it might be the way it is, even though I could not believe it. But as it turned out, you have to turn, just turn quite a lot of turn until this one actually come out, okay? You see that? There's a pretty big gap out there. And boom, it's so good after that. Anyway, if you have a Troy-Bilt or maybe even some other type of lawnmower and you struggle with the self-propelling mechanism, do this. And yes, turn many times until you cannot do it. This is at the end, okay? And see how good it is. If it is good, well, thank you very much for watching my video. That means I give you some good advice. And if that is the case, if you could please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm working really hard to increase my subscription base. And that is the biggest incentive for me to making more video. So I really appreciate that if you could do that. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.